Hello, today I'm reviewing the stationery case, and you can also use it for college, you can use it for your home, office, or just some necessities on a go. In full disclosure, this video is not sponsored, however, the company did provide me this case so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. Inside the case, you can see there is a full 39 pieces setup laid out. Everything has a spot, and the 4 compartments make it so easy to keep it like with like. I'm starting with the gel pens. They write smooth and dry super quickly, and you get 5 pens plus 5 extra refills, so you set for a while. The clips are sturdy for planners or notebooks, and the lines stay clean without smearing. Next up, we have these pastel highlighters. That soft colors are so easy on the eyes, and the chisel tip switches from fine underline to a bold block, so on regular planner paper I'm seeing very minimal bleed as I flip the page. Then the mechanical pencils. You get 6 total across 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9 millimeters. The triangle grips feel super comfortable for longer notes or sketches, and advanced lead is quick and consistent. I'm also dropping refills here, so you get 6 tubes, so every size is covered. For erasing, there is 3 jelly erasers that lift graphite cleanly, plus 9 cup erasers, so you can pop right into pencil for quick fixes on the go. Everything fits back into pencil pouch super easily. The soft water-resistant fabric keep it shaped, the zipper runs smoothly, and if you need extra room you can open the expansion zipper on the side to give the case a little more space. Once it's packed, it zips flat and drops into backpack as a neat grab-and-go kit. Overall, I have been super happy with the stationery case. I think it could be a great addition for anyone, whether you want to treat yourself or get it as a present. Highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.